Nice. So I'm going to go back to number 1 and show the answers. All right. So using radicals, the denominator goes down and around and becomes the index. This is the answer I was looking for. The 3 will go down and around. The cube root of 7. And then with the 2, you have options. I could put the 2 right here. Or if I want it, I'll use parentheses and put the 2 outside. The number in the numerator stays up high. The 2 here goes down and around. Now typically 2's are invisible. So I'm going to erase mine. But you can leave it there if you want. 2's are invisible. I think that's the only time 2's are invisible, is when they're in there. Okay, so the H goes down and around. Here's my X. The 7 can go here, or I can do parentheses and leave the 7 on the outside. All right, any questions on rewriting fraction exponents as radicals? They are the same thing. They are equivalent, just written in different ways. Okay. So now we're going to go reverse. Do it the other way. So I'm going to put the 4 back underneath. So this is 2 to the 3/4. Emma, what'd you get for 6? Yeah, well, square root of 13 and 13 aren't the same. So we can't just, we can just.
Oh, it's 13 to the 1/2.
Yeah, there's an invisible 2. So I'm going to take that invisible 2 and put it under the invisible 1. There's 2 invisible numbers here. How annoying. So this is 13 to the 1/2. Visible, invisible. Wild. Evaluate? Well, I don't know. So this is the 6th root of 1296. Did I make lists on the board before? Did I do 2 to the 6th on the board? I didn't go to the 6th. Sharika, are you ready for a list? Sharika, I think I see your device. My phone is broke, so you know. You see? Well, put it away if it's broken. Put it away.
That's tough. What have you been doing with your day? You say the pictures that we just took. What the?
Alright, let's look at 6th root. So I gotta think. I'm thinking what to the 6th power is 1296. So guys, have your calculators out. Like the very first thing we do in your book today requires calculators. So let's just get those guys out. Thanks on calculator work today. Have you wanted that? You guys, I'm changing this to a little four. Change it to a little four. So now we're gonna take 1 to the 4th power. So I just you're at 6.
Wait, so you put the problem wrong with
Yeah,
something?
I put the problem. I think. Let's see if it works to the 4th power.
What you mean? Shut up.
I can take it.
Not everything written down. No.
No, just scratch it out. Go next door.
This ain't no such thing as a negative door.
Okay, so let's not think about fourth. I think it might show up with a list of fours. What's 2 to the 4th? 16. And 3 to the 4th is 81. 4 to the 4th is 256. 5 to the 4th is 1025. 625. No. Yeah, 625. What's 6 to the 4th?
1296.
There it is. I knew it was there somewhere.
Yes, I just said something. Miss. I don't know if that
Oh,
was.
you're right. I'm sure of it. Thank goodness. No. Oh, he's back. I didn't know he was back. It's my bad. Go ahead. Oh wait, before you go, Karen, do you know how to rewrite this one as a radical? Number 8, like this.
Good.
Like that? Can you do that? Could you tell me what the cube root of 125 is? Yeah. So now we're gonna make my list of threes. Yeah, 5. So 2 to the 3rd is 8. 3 to the 3rd is 27. 4 to the 3rd is 64. 5 to the 3rd is 125. 5 to the 3rd is 125. So this would be 5 squared. The answer is 25. You gotta show where it changed. No, it's too many. Look. It is -1/3. Let me zoom. Are you ready? 9 and 10 zoom. Gosh, what do we do with negatives? Yeah, this is so evaluate. Put it over 1. Negatives, you have to make fractions. Yikes. Negative exponent. So we're going to rewrite this as 1 over 125 to the 1/3. So that's 1 over the cube root of 125. So this is just a nice little 1/5. Not bad, 1/5. This problem is just silly because 2/4 is the same as 1/2. It's just silly. Alright, so 81 to the 1/2. Well, that's just the square root of 81. And what's that, you guys? 9. The square root of 81 is 9. Right. Alright, so I'm gonna check your white paper. Did I only find the left side?
I use my homework.
Yeah, but you got to start in class.
I did.
Where? I was looking at that.
I still use my homework. Bro, 4 points on the first.
I gotta make up.
Just let me look smart. You crazy.
I gotta do the whole page, right?
Either that, and I'm gonna take a shit and
Why y'all say what?
But you can still see the flashlight and picture button at the bottom.
No, I only did one.
So you can see the flashlight and picture button at the bottom.
Okay, sure, you go on the line. Here you go.
So we can hurry up.
I am polite.
I know.
I am. Wait, why would you do that?
The first 12 should be right. If you got the first 12 right, you're fine. I mean, it does get pretty tricky.
This is so easy. It's some over here that is hard. Yeah, I didn't. I was close.
Okay, I know that towards the end it became very challenging.
It's all.
Yeah, some hard. Miss, don't you get full credit for makeup? You coming after school?
What did? He's like,
I'm not available Friday.
I'm not available. I have practice after school.
What? Just talk to your coach. They should know school come first.
Baseball players coming out of time. Baseball? I got baseball. Baseball? Baseball players coming out of time.
Yeah, every single day.
They miss practice, so I'm not gonna touch it.
Well,
Probably
get it
don't
up.
have a slot.
Wait, Miss, it's only like.
All right, here's 13, 14, 15, and 16. Check those.
Miss, if you miss 3 homeworks, then you fine, right? Unless you do the rest.
Oh, 3?
Yes.
It depends what your goals are.
Oh, it depends. If you only care about a B, then.
You can miss 3 homeworks single B if you do pretty good on testing. Yes?
I gotta actually start my homework today.
What number are you looking at? No, you do. You absolutely do. I don't think my old eyes could see that. All right, and then next door you can see number 29, number 30, 31, and 32. Those were very challenging. Towards the end they were. I mean, number 25, I think everybody can do. Number 26, I thought was very difficult. Number 27 was doable. Number 28, I like. Does anybody have any questions? Yes. Sure. All right, looking at 30. 9 and to the fourth. Um, all raised to the 1/2. So this 9 currently has an invisible 1 next to it. So I could think of this as both 9 to the 1/2, that's 1 times 1/2, and n 4 times 1/2. That's the power of a power, multiplying this exponent to that one. So that's 9 to the 1/2 times n to the 4/2. So that's 9 to the 1/2 times n squared. Is that okay so far? Now 9 to the 1/2 is the square root of 9. And the 9 and the n are separate. They don't have to stay crunched together. That's why I'm putting that dot there. So that's how I got to 3n squared. Pretty cool, all the different steps you can take to break it down. Pretty cool. We are starting section 3 today. When you're ready, open your books up to the beginning of chapter 6.3. Hey, everybody, find page 505. Page 505.
I need to mama so she can write my I forgot it.
If you were absent on Friday, bring your own book up to senior please.
I was like,
I know, I need your old book.
so smart.
Bring your old book, Rebecca. All right, on 505, you guys are going to start doing the math. Here. You're going to start. It says to work with a partner, so you do have permission to split this up. If you want to say, hey, I do 0 to 4, you do 5 through 7, and you do do yours go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? Go ahead and fill this out. This is why I said you're required to use a calculator. So what you're doing is you're putting in the value in the table in for x in your calculator. So it's 16 times 2 to the 0 power. 16 times 1, 505. Maybe I do the exponent first and then I multiply 16. That's a good idea.
How come you went to one? How come you went to one?
Oh, the base is 2 the whole time. I'm just plugging it in right here, guys. So you're just changing the exponent.
Wow. It's tough love.
I would never be.
You guys know what PAM does? Exponents before parentheses, right? No. Exponents before multiplication. So what's 2 to the 0 power? Right. Yeah, 2 to the 0 power is 1, and then 16 times 1 is 16. 2 to the first power is 2. What's 16 times 2? 32. 2 squared is 4. What's 16 times 4? 2 to the third power is 8. What's 16 times 8? 128. 2 to the fourth power is. Did I mess that up? Yeah. No, 16 times 16. 256. You see what we're doing? Do the exponent and then the multiplication. No, let's see. I'm not going to give up.
Your book have a name on it because it's an empty one. Well, that's why you two are lying. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about you night and day. It went all the way down.
Carrie has one in her hand. Carrie, what's your book under you? Yeah, how old is she?
say volume two.
Is it 25?
Oh, that one's 25.
Which one?
There you go right There's one on the floor. Oh, that's Algentine. There's one on the floor and they got boy back there. Look.
What'd you guys get for 5? What?
Whoa, for number 5, I got 1285. What did you got?
512.
I think she's right.
There's no way. No, it's not. No, it's not. Bro,
It's because you using that phone calculator. That phone calculator don't work.
It's 2 to the 5th, which is 32 times 16. 512.
don't
Do
owe
you
me.
need, do you need help?
Oh, that phone. Get it fixed.
I don't know. I'm gonna find it. So let's just take notes on paper for now, okay?
I know that. I'm not
Shut
slow.
up.
All right, guys. So how are the values changing in the first table? What's the guys? What's the pattern? What's the pattern? Jason, what's the pattern?
16.
No, what's the pattern between 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512?
Multiply by 16 by 2.
What? No, okay. 16 times 2 is 32. What's 32 times 2?
64.
What's 64 times 2?
128.
128 times 2?
256.
So the pattern I see is it's multiplied by 2 each time. What happens if our x's go by 2s, I wonder? Any predictions? Yes, they will.
I do know everything. You see, I got the question right?
Gosh, these numbers are going to be huge, I think. That's 16, 64, 256, 1024, 4096, which we saw previously today, didn't we? 16384. So,
Trying to get you started.
so that's times 4, and that's times 4, and that's times 4, and that's times 4. So if you're skipping and you're going every other, it's multiplying by 4. No, I can't.
Bitch, come on now. You moving the inches.
I thought we were done. I took a long time. I thought I did. I think I did a really good job taking a long time. Yeah, your homework is not. That's from last week. I have to do more examples. But, all right, guys. So let's skip to this gray box, and then after this gray box, I will tell you your assignment. These are the last 6 problems we have to do. Okay? Yeah, you can go. You just have to look online. All right. So do we think linear or non-linear?
That's linear. Oh, damn, well, that's not
Not linear. If it's not going up or down by the same value, it's non-linear.
That's linear.
This one's linear 'cause it's going down by one each time. Alright, this one says evaluate. So this is actually 3 problems. X is -2, X is 0, X is 1/2. You have to do each one 3 times. Let's skip 4. Let's just do 3 and 5, okay? Okay, wow, this is tricky. What is no decimals, guys. Can we try to do this without decimals? Like this is next level. Alexa, what do you think 9 to the -2 can be written as without decimals? No decimals. How do we do that? Hey, aren't negative exponents just fractions? So isn't this just 2 times 1/9 squared? Okay, so this is 2 times 1/81. So this is 2/81. I'm not going to write that decimal down. I don't even know what it is. I love the fraction. Tiny little baby fraction. Love it. That's showing an understanding of negative exponents and helping me step away from my calculator and just kind of try to look at the numbers that I know. Let's do it again. All right, what's 9 to the 0 power?
1.
2 times 1 is 2. I'm taking it step by step. Wait a minute. What's 9 to the 1/2?
Miss, why did you write 2 times 1 twice?
Miss, that was
It's 3. Well done. How'd you get to 3, Sharika?
She used up 1.
It's a square root. 9 to the 1/2 is actually the square root of 9. The little 2 goes down and around, right? So this is 2 times the square root of 9. That's 2 times 3. That's 6. What? So we got negative exponents, zeros, and a fraction radical all in one problem. Wow, that's a lot of content. That's good content right there. That is a lot of content. That might inspire me to shorten your assignment.
Thank you.
Let me get one more in and then I'll tell you your assignment. Let me do 5. Please, can I do 5? I'll do 5 on the board so I don't have to eat it. A lot of content. Oh, great.
I got the same number.
all you gotta do is keep your same iPhone.
Alright, so -3 times 1/4 to the -2. Wait a minute. So that's -3 times 1 to the -2 over 4 to the -2. But negative exponents change the value in the fraction, right? So this is the 1's going to move down and become positive. The 4's going to move up and become positive. So -3 times 4 squared over 1 squared. You guys know 4 squared? Anybody know 4 squared?
4 squared? 16.
16 over 1 squared is Negative 3 times 1/4 to the 0. Renee, you remember 0 exponents?
Yep.
What is it? It's always 1. So this is just negative 3 times 1. Negative 3. That one was way there. Negative 3 times 1/4.
I can't do that one.
Well, you guys, fraction exponents are what? They're radicals. So I see a fraction exponent, I have to think of a radical. This is the square root of 1/4, which is the square root of 1 over the square root of 4,
Oh, nah.
which is 1/2. That's a little too much.
For real.
Oh,
It ain't
thank you,
too much,
Jesus.
but
Hallelujah.
so this is page 513. Number 7 through 18. Oh, is it 5? Yeah, it's 513.
Baseball tryouts will be held on January 23rd at 3 p.m. Don't be late. Anyone trying out for the team must have a completed physical already done. And as always, go Tigers and have a great day.
Alright guys, page 513, 7 through 18, good luck. Use the examples in the gray box. If you didn't take them with you, take them with you. You might get stuck without that word if you put it in your book. Stay at school if you want. Let's get these problems done. And I'm going to build upon this tomorrow. We're building a whole thing. We're about to make a graph, a whole nonlinear graph.